This is the Google Pixel 6a. If you don't like the look of the original Pixel 6, then you are out of luck with the 6a, which looks like someone clicked and dragged the top corner of it down in Photoshop and shrunk the whole thing a little. If it's the smallest phone available that you want, the 6a isn't it. At 152.2mm, it's taller than the 138.4mm iPhone SE 2022, and the 131.5mm iPhone 13 mini. The screen is flat rather than curve-edged. A big downside to the 6a is the durability of the rear panel, which is made of a composite plastic rather than durable glass. The screen is a 6.1 inches AMOLED, putting this phone in the small phone camp, not actually small, but more compact than most modern Android slabs. That screen unfortunately only has a 60Hz refresh rate. Other phones at this price have higher refresh rates that make content scroll smoother. Thankfully, the display of the 6a is excellent with very good brightness, with things only hard to see in the harshest direct sunlight. With a 60Hz screen, it's a very good panel with excellent color reproduction and sharpness. That's miles better than the 720p display on the iPhone SE 2022. The stereo speakers can play audio at a decent clarity, and the volume are good enough for podcasts in the kitchen, or making video calls. Where the Pixel 6a shine is in performance. That's because Google decided to cram its Tensor processor into it, the same chip used in the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. Paired with 6GB RAM, the 6a absolutely flies through everything and is a mid-range phone with genuine flagship performance. As with every other Pixel, this is also only a single SIM phone, which is a downside. So many Android phones have dual SIM slots, and so should Pixels. A lovely upgrade from the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro is the in-screen fingerprint sensor, which we found to be far more responsive. The Pixel 6a has excellent battery life but charges quite slowly at a maximum of 18 watts. We say maximum because there's no charger in the box, only a USB-C to C cable, so you'll have to buy a charging brick with a USB-C output, or use another charger. Note, there's no wireless charging, and a phone shouldn't be this hot when charging. While Google gave the Pixel 6a the Tensor chip from its premium phones, the same cannot be said of the camera. In fact, it's the first time an A-series Pixel is not getting the same main sensor as the corresponding regular Pixels, and that is a shame. The 50MP sensor on the Pixel 6 is outstanding. Instead, the 6a has a 12.2MP f/1.7 Sony IMX363 sensor with optical image stabilization. This is the same sensor Google used from the Pixel 3 to Pixel 5 era. The 8MP f/2.0 selfie camera has a decent 84-degree field of view, and takes solid selfies. There's no zoom lens, so you have to rely on digital zoom from the main sensor, but that's standard for mid-range phones. Google offers 5 years of security updates for the phone, so its final update will land in July 2027 in theory. There's only 3 years of Android platform updates, so the 6a will only get those until July 2025, likely Android 15. Despite the higher price than previous A-series Pixels, you're only paying slightly more for the Pixel 6a, a superb mid-range phone with a flagship-level processor, truly outstanding main camera, 5G, the latest version of Android, 5 years of security support, and a more pocket-friendly design. Make sure to like and subscribe to Tech5 for more videos. Bye for now.